Do you know what's worse than warning lights on your dashboard? Not knowing what your car is trying to tell you. Maybe you're tired of guessing, tired of wasting money at the dealership, or you just want the power to diagnose your own car with confidence. Today, I'm reviewing the Autel MK808, a professional-level scan tool trusted by mechanics and serious DIY users. I'll show you what it does, why it's powerful, its features, pros and cons, and if it's truly worth buying. Stay till the end. This tool might change the way you fix cars forever. 1. What is Autel MK808? The MK808 is a 7-inch Android-based touchscreen diagnostic tablet, designed to work on over 80-plus car brands and thousands of models worldwide. It's more advanced than basic OBD2 scanners. This is a full-system diagnostic tool with service functions and maintenance features. 2. Design and build. 7-inch responsive touchscreen, lightweight and portable. Rubber-protected edges for durability. User-friendly Android interface. Built-in 32 GB storage, expandable. It looks and feels like a professional tablet, not just a scanner. 3. Full system diagnostics. MK808 can scan all major systems, not just engine, transmission, ABS, SRS or airbag, EPB, steering, TPMS, BCM, HVAC, and more. It reads and clears codes across the entire vehicle, just like dealership scanners. 4. Live data and graphing. You can view real-time data stream from each component. Multiple PIDs at once. Graph view for better analysis. Compare data side by side. Great for diagnosing intermittent problems. 5. Special functions, service reset. This is where MK808 truly shines. It includes 25-plus advanced maintenance functions such as oil reset, EPB, electronic parking brake service, ABS bleeding, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, throttle relearn, battery registration, BMS, injector coding, limited vehicles, TPMS reset, and more. Perfect for workshops and serious DIY users who need dealer-level service. 6. Vehicle coverage. Works on 1996 and newer OBD2 compliant vehicles. Supports US, European, and Asian brands. Covers cars, SUVs, light trucks, and some vans. If you work on multiple brands, MK808 has you covered. 7. Speed and performance. Quad-core processor, fast boot-up, smooth navigation, Wi-Fi updates, cloud-based reporting. It's faster than many budget scanners in the same price range. 8. Updates. 1-year free software updates. After that, update is optional. You can still use the tool without updating. 9. Real-world use cases. Check engine light? Diagnose in seconds. ABS light? Read codes and fix. Airbag light? Clear after repair. After battery change? Register battery. Brakes replaced? Retract EPB. DPF clogged? Regenerate. This tool actually earns its cost back by saving you time and money. 10. Pros and cons. Pros: full system scan, 25-plus service functions, easy-to-use touchscreen, wide vehicle coverage, fast and reliable, professional features at mid-range price. Cons: no wireless, uses cable, no bi-directional active tests, unlike MK808BT or MP808. After 1-year updates, cost extra. Battery life, average. 11. Price and value. MK808 is usually priced between $450 and $600, depending on store and promotions. For the functions it offers, it's one of the best values in the market. Final verdict. Autel MK808 is more than just a scanner. It's a powerful diagnostic partner that helps you repair smarter, faster, and with confidence. If you want to stop guessing, if you want control, if you want dealership-level features in your own hands, This tool is a game changer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more scanner reviews, tutorials, and automotive tips. Have a question about the MK808 or want a comparison with MK808BT, MK808S, or MP808? Comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.